guys, welcome back to Code of Danger 7, and today I will be unboxing Speak Now, Taylor's version by Taylor Swift, and it is the Violet Marbled vinyl. So I got this for Christmas, just like my other vinyls in my other video. I just haven't had the time to unbox them yet, and now I'll finally be unboxing it. And I've been looking forward to having this vinyl since it got announced before Speak Now came out in July. Because I love the dark purple color of it. It reminds me of grape Jolly Ranchers, my favorite flavor Jolly Ranchers. And grape's just like one of my favorite flavors in general. And I just love the color, it's so pretty. I did not pre-order it the first time, like it was released on her store, because I thought she was gonna bring it back. I thought this was like the main color variant for Speak Now Taylor's version, but it wasn't. It was like the orchard one. But luckily, my mom was able to get it for me for Christmas when it went on sale during one of those merch drops leading up to Black Friday. So without further ado, I guess I'm gonna unbox it now. So it is, and it also has confetti in it. It has the 1989 Taylor's version confetti, which is pretty. So it is, and this is what it looks like on the back. It is a really pretty vinyl. Both the packaging and the vinyl itself, I can just tell it's gonna be really pretty. Okay. I don't know if there's a proper way to take this off, but this is just how I unbox it. And I love the Speak Now Taylor's version cover. I think it's so pretty, so elegant, and it's very simple, but it's also very pretty. And I think I'm gonna keep the sticker. See, this is what it looks like. Okay. Once again, a very pretty vinyl. The back, and I do love the style on the back and the cursive. And I remember, I think the back got leaked like before she announced it, which sucks, but it is so pretty, just like the other 1989 vinyl. Okay, I need to open it up. Oh, the inside is so pretty too. I don't like how it's just like one picture, but I think it's still very pretty. And then you have the prologue over here, which, I don't know, you can read it if you want, but I'm sure you can find it online as well. Oh, time for the moment I've been waiting for, to finally see what the vinyl looks like, how pretty it is. Oh, this is so pretty. I love how they have the lyrics and everything. Oh, and I was wondering where this photo is going to be. Oh no, it's a little damaged though. It's not too bad. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Side B, side A. So pretty. I think there's 3 of these. Yeah, there is. You know what would have been really cool? Like if I had the money to do this, I would have. So there's 3 Speak Now variants for the vinyl. Okay. I don't know if I'm putting this in the right direction. I guess it doesn't matter too much. Okay, time for the other side, which, yeah, it has 2 in it. So I guess I'll take both out to show. Look how pretty. I love it. And then you have the lyrics on the other side. I think I'll take out one more just to see like if there's any like big difference in the marbling. And then the other one I'm just gonna leave in. Oh, so there's different photos on here. So pretty once again. So yeah, it just has photos from the photo shoot. Okay. There's like little tabs in it that make it like hard to be put back in. Like, it really makes it struggle. I don't know. I haven't had like any vinyls like that where it has like, I'm sure it does, but it has like this little tabbing right here. Like, so it makes it hard to put it in. And then you end up fingering the vinyl and then like getting these little edges on it. Like, I think obviously some of this is for style, but still like little creases at the top because I'm trying to put it back in, which is kind of annoying. But I don't know if that's like with other vinyls. I'm sure it is. I just haven't like realized it before. And then here's the picture on this one. And then the lyrics. And then I have this. But yeah, I've said this in the last video. I love like all the Taylor Swift vinyls. I love all the thought that goes into making them, the design, all the photos chosen from the photo shoot. Like, I just think it's so pretty. It all goes with the aesthetic of the album and the era. Like, it does a really good job with that. And I'm just really excited to unbox Speaking Out Taylor's version. And I love the color of this variant. And comment down below, like, if you have this vinyl and what variant you got. Because I think they're all pretty. I think the Target one is also really pretty. And then the Orchard one, it's pretty too, but that one's just, like, not my favorite. But I'm really glad I was able to get this one. It is so pretty. And I can't wait to play it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell because I will be doing vinyl unboxing soon. I still have Good Riddance by Gracie Abrams to unbox. Fearless, Taylor's version, which, like, I kind of already unboxed it, but I'll still might make a video, like, showing it. And then I have the Beetlejuice soundtrack to unbox. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and peace out, my dudes.